Back in Tunisia. It's very cold, as you can see. I am going on another trip right away. I'm going to Ain Draham today. That's the bus behind us. We're just waiting for the other people to come and then we'll head on our way. It's very early in the morning, as you can see. The sun hasn't risen yet, but pretty cold, but pretty exciting. So let's go. After that really long drive, about 2.5 hours, we're here in Ain Draham and we're starting our hike. It's raining a little bit, but it's a light rain, almost snow. But it is so cold. It's so funny, you know, just like a week and a half ago in Jamaica, sunshine, and now cold. But it's good anyway. Alright, we've hiked out from the road and we're down in the forest, as you can see. So the hike really starts now. So cold. Oh my. Stopping by this bridge here to take some pictures and to take in the nature. Although it's cold, it's still beautiful. And that's why I like traveling and seeing different types of nature, because this is not something you'll see really in the Caribbean. Woods like this, different nature in different places, and you have to appreciate it all. Not hard, you know, it's just that it's wet and muddy, and every now and then we come across streams like this where, you know, you have to be careful. You need good shoes. So we just hiked through the forest. We're on some sort of road opening, and we're going to settle down here, get some lunch. So we just finished ate lunch and we're continuing the hike. Still cold. So we're at the top of the hill of the mountain and we're kind of walking back down, and I'm not sure if you could see it in the video, but it's a bit misty and we're hiking through the mist. It's pretty nice. Yes. Yeah, we hiked down off the mountain and we come to a river that we're crossing. Hi. We hiked out. That's the road right behind us with the buses. There's a few groups here. You could get Malawi, that's what was cooking right there, but we could go down to our waterfall over there. So we're going to hike down and see this bigger waterfall. Now, I've been seeing familiar things all day, only to realize I've been here. Actually, I've been here about 3 times already. So I remember coming here and the trek down to this waterfall was so slippery and dangerous, but they've since improved it. You can see the building steps. It's still very slippery in certain areas, but they have handrails and you can get down. That's the pond right there created by the waterfall. You can get down to it way easier than I remember, so that's cool. Alright, so I saw the waterfall. I think I got enough video. Time to trek back up to the buses. We got back on the bus and we took a little drive, and now we're by the barrage, Beni M'Tir barrage. See it behind us there. See water? No water. It's been held up by that barrage right there. That's about it. That's a very cold and wet day, but it was a really good hike. We're gonna get back on the bus and head back to Tunis.